Morning student, now it's time for your mental maths class, and today I will be doing the revision work. Now look at the first one. Match the following. Sum of two even numbers will be an even number. Sum of two even numbers is an even number. Next, sum of an even and an odd number. So imagine a sum that is plus of an even and an odd number over sum of an even and an odd number will always be an odd number. Imagine sum of an even number, that is, if you are telling 2 is an even number and odd number is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So sum of an even number, that is 2 plus 3, an odd number is 3. So if you add these two numbers, that is 2 plus 3, the answer will be 5. That means the answer will always be an odd number. The sum of an even and odd number is an odd number. Next, the smallest 4 digit. What is the smallest 4 digit number is? 1000. The smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Next, the largest 4 digit number is 9999. 9999. Again, let me tell you once again. Sum of two even numbers will be always an even number, like 2 plus 4. If we add 2 plus, sum means plus. So if we add 2 plus 4, the answer will be 6. So 6 is an even number. So if we add any two numbers that is an even number, the answer will always be an even number. Then the sum of an even and odd number will always be an odd number. Next, the smallest 4 digit number is 1000 and the largest 4 digit number is 9999. Now look at the next one. 900 plus 900 is equal to 1000 plus. So 900 plus 900 is how much? 1800 equals to 1000 plus dash 100. So what will you add with 1000 to make it 1800? So if we subtract 1800 minus 1000, the answer will be 8. So here will be 800. Next, 278 plus 351 is equal to 351 plus, what will you add with 351 to make both the sides equal? So here is also 351, here is also 351. So if we add 278, if we write down 278, that means from both the sides it will be equal. Next, 3000 plus dash is equal to 3015. So what will you add with 3000 to make it 3015? So 3015 minus 3000, the answer will be 15. So 3000 plus 15 will be 3015. Now look at the next one. Add 6183 plus 2859. So first add the ones place. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write down 2 under the ones column and carry 1 over the tens column. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. Write down 4 under the tens column and carry 1 at the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 8 will be 10. So write down 0 at the hundreds column and 1 carry over the thousand place. Now 6 plus 1, 7, 7, 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 9. 9. So the answer will be 9042. Now add the next one. 7548 plus 1899. So first add the ones place. So 9 plus 8 is 17. Nine plus 8 is 17. Nine plus 8 is 17. So write down 7 under the ones column and carry 1 at the tens place. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 9 will be 14. Write down 4 under the tens column and carry 1 at the hundreds place. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6 plus 8 is 14. So write down 4 under the hundreds column and carry 1 at the thousand place. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer will be 9447. Now look at the next one. 8888 plus 759. So first add the ones column. 9 plus 8 will be 17. Write down 7 under the ones column and carry 1 at the tens place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5 will be 14. So write down 4 under the tens column and carry 1 at the hundreds place. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7 will be 16. So write down 6 under the hundreds column and carry 1 at the thousand place. So 8 plus 1 will be 9. Write down 9. So the answer will be 9647. Look at the next one. Arrange in columns and add 345 plus 2763 plus 6541. So first write down the units, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now arrange the numbers. First write down the big 6541. Next 2763. Next 345. Now you have to add it. Now add the ones column. 5 plus 3 8. 5 6 8 plus 1 9 9. Write down 9 under the ones column. Next 10. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 4 14. Write down 4 under the tens column and carry 1. And carry 1 at the hundreds. Now 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 7 6 plus 7 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 plus 3 16. Write down 6 under the hundreds column and carry 1 at the thousands place. Now 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 9. So now the answer is 9649. Now next 4548 plus 2173 plus 1235. So now arrange the columns, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now write down the number 4548 plus 2173 plus 1235. Now you have to add the ones column. 8 plus 3 8, 9 10 11. 11 plus 5 will be 16. Write down 6 under the ones column and carry 1 at the tens place. Now 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7 7, 8 9 10 11 12. 12 plus 3 will be 15. Write down 5 under the tens column and carry 1 at the hundreds place. Now 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9. Write down 9 under the hundreds column. Now go to the thousand place. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. Write down 7. Now the answer is 7956. Next one. Any number subtracted from the number itself gives 0 as the difference. So any number, you know that any number, if you multiply, if you subtract with the same number, like 4 minus 4, so the answer that you get will be always the 0 as a difference. The difference that you get by subtracting two same numbers is the answer will be the 0. Next, any number minus 1 is its predecessor. Any number like 92. If you subtract with 1, that 92 minus 1, the answer is 91. So whenever you subtract any number, the answer that you get will be the predecessor. Predecessor means you have to subtract the number minus 1, and that is the before number. Any number minus 0 is the number itself. 4 minus 0, 4. So any number, if you minus by 0, the answer will be the number itself. Next, difference of any number and its successor. Difference of any number and its successor is 1. Like if you subtract 5 minus 4, the answer will be 1. Okay, 5 minus 4, the answer will be 1. And its successor is 1. So any number, if you get the difference and if you find the successor, that means it will be just the after number. Next, 7248 minus 10. So it's 10 digit. From the 10 you have to subtract the given number. So 10, you have to look at the place at the tens place. 7248 minus 10. So look at the tens place, as we are subtracting from 10. So we have to look at the tens place. So the tens place is 4. So you just simply have to subtract the number, because we have to minus, that is we have to do the predecessor. We have to find out the before number. So this is 4. So what is the before number of 4? 3. So the answer is 7238. Any number, if you subtract by 10, you have to look at the tens place. If you are subtracting from hundreds, you have to look at the hundreds place. If you are subtracting from thousand, then you have to look at the thousands place of the given number that has to be subtracted. Now 7248 minus 10, look at the tens place, it's 4. That means if you minus by 1, that is 7004. The predecessor of 4 is 3, that the answer will be 7238. Next, 2586 minus 100. Look at the hundreds place over here, it's 5. So what is the predecessor of 5? 4. So the answer will be 2486. So any number, if you are subtracting by 10, look at the tens place of that particular given number. Hundreds, if you are subtracting from 100, look at the place of 100 of the given number. If you are subtracting from 1000, look at just the particular digit. That what is that particular digit, in which place is it? Here, then you have to subtract that particular digit by 1. So 2586 minus 100, the answer will be 2486. Next, 9634 minus 1000. So any number, if you are subtracting from 1000, so look at the 1000 place. 1000, what is the place of 9 at the, what is the, which digit stands at the thousands place? It is 9. So you have to, what is the predecessor of 9? It's 8. So the answer will be 8634. Next, 1452 minus 0, the answer will be 1000. Now, so 1452 minus 0, any number, if you subtract, any number subtracted from the, from 0, the answer will be the number itself. 2479 minus 1. So now look at the, it is 1, just 1. So now look at the 1's digit, it is 9. So 9 minus, what is the predecessor? What will be the predecessor of the digit 9? It is 8. So the answer will be 2478. Now look at the next one. 8631 minus dash is equal to 8531. Now look at the place of, see here is 6. The place of hundreds is, there is a difference in the place of 100. So how much difference is that? That is, the digit 1 is difference. So what will you subtract with 8631 to get 8531? It is 100. So 8631 minus 100, the answer will be 8531. Next, 8 to 3251 minus dash is equal to 3251. So what will you subtract with the number 3251 to get the number itself? As I have said you, any number minus 0 will be the number itself. So 3251 minus 0 will be the 3251. The difference between the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number is, so what is the largest 3-digit number? 999. What will be, that is the largest 3-digit number? 999, and the smallest digit number is 100. So if you subtract 999 minus 100, the answer will be 899. So we have finished the revision. Please go through all the sums that I am doing as a revision. That will help you a lot during your exams. Thank you.